Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook cover. Yes, you heard right, and for free. Let's get started. Go to your Google Chrome browser, open it. Now select your profile. After opening your Google Chrome browser, go to tab and search Canva. Rightly search canva.com to open Canva website. After opening the website, just log in with your registered account in the Canva website. Now go to create a design option here. Now you can see Facebook cover option on my web homepage. Click on Facebook cover. Now it will give give hundred and tons of templates for your Facebook cover. For example, I want to make cover from a tech group, so I will write tech technology. Now it will give me the best available options on my Canva website. For example, this cover looks so cool. You can also make cover for any stuff you wanted. I will write select this template. You can also select the templates in the suggestion box. For example, I want this one, so I will delete this. Right click on this and delete background. Now to choosing another design, just go to design options and select it. Now you can see you can select different of templates for your stuff group. Now, for example, I want to change it to my okay, I will select this and I want to change the group name. So double click on this text and type tag group. You can also change the font size by clicking on this minimum option. You can change the text font by clicking on it and choose the text from here. For example, you can change it to any font according to your need. You can change the image, go to upload and select your group photo and upload on your Facebook cover. Now to download this, go to share option and click on download and your Facebook cover will be downloaded. So guys, this is my tutorial to how to create a Facebook cover post using Canva. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one.